Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing and unboxing this Uniwig. Uniwig messaged me the other day and asked me if I would like to review one of their celebrity collections wig, and I said let's do it. I'm excited about this video. I hope you guys enjoy. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Leslie and I love filming fashion videos, home decor, lifestyle, a little bit of everything. So if you enjoy this kind of videos, be sure to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you're notified the next time I upload a new video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Also, there's going to be the link for this wig that I'm about to show you, as well as a discount code in the description box. And I'll leave their Instagram as well so you guys can check them out. Let me show you guys what I got in this box. But first, I want to talk about my outfit because I'm obsessed with it. This is actually a romper. It has ruffles all over. It is beautiful. It kind of looks like lingerie, but it's not. So I had to pair it with my new bracelet, ring, and also earrings that I got the other day. Lashes are from Amazon. If you guys are interested in the lashes that I'm wearing, I'm going to link them down below. Alright you guys, let's open this bad boy because I got it in the mail a couple days ago and I was like, okay, I have to film it. I want to film it already, but I didn't want to open it because I wanted it to be a true unboxing. That's one of the things that you guys kind of know about me. I love doing true unboxings in front of the camera. That way we can both experience it together and you see my raw emotions. Alright, so as you can see, it says Uniwigs, and down here you just open it up like so. The ribbon is kind of like a silky ribbon, and inside here we have the wig. The wig that I decided to review for this video, the name of the wig is Charlotte. It is front lace, and we're gonna open it together. This is how it looks. On the top it has like a little net. And this right here, I believe the length is 16 inches. So I'm going to take this off. Or actually, let me show you what's in the box first before we get to the wig. As you open the box, you will see that there is a net for your hair. So this is what you're going to put under. And I'm going to show you how I'll do it. Also, a little pamphlet. Another one too, so you get a black one and a nude, whatever you prefer. Probably I'll use the nude one. And then also you get an elastic for your wig and extra clips. If you want to secure your wig, you use those. And as well as an envelope. So thank you Uniwig for sending this greeting card. I appreciate it. Again, her name is Charlotte. I thought it was so cute that they have names. And this is 100% human hair, 16 inches. And we're going to open it up so that you can see. And I'll show you the inside. The roots are kind of dark, which I was excited about. Oh, it smells really good. Let me do a close-up so you can see inside. There's one clip, another clip, and at the bottom there's another clip, and also some elastics so that you can adjust your wig. And then the lace front, like that. I have to brush the wig and style it. The hair is super, super soft. I did not get a hairbrush for this wig, just to make sure that it's for extensions or for human hair. I did not get that, so I'm going to be having to use my own brush. But I believe they do sell hair brushes for wigs, so that way they don't get damaged. They're special for the wig. The elastic, you can sew it on your wig in case you need extra support. I am excited to be trying it on and see how realistic it looks. It is a bit more pricier, but they also, I just want to mention this, they also carry synthetic wigs that are a lot more affordable if you guys are interested in those. We are going to move on to my vanity, and also we're going to have to cut the lace and see how it goes. So let's head on over to that side. Alright, so here we are in front of my vanity. I'm just going to do it like this for now, but eventually I will turn around and show you guys how it looks. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are familiar with wigs. Have you tried them before? I have tried them before, but nothing this luxurious, you can say. All right. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Okay, so this is how it looks like. We're gonna have to style it, cut the front, because right now I'm not digging it. And to be honest, I think we're gonna have to use, oh no, actually, there you go. That looks better. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds. Stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Next step, now that I fixed the front, I'm actually going to tighten the wig with the little clips that I showed you. That way it's more secure. Really long. Wow. I like my part to the side, so that's how I'm gonna do it. Wow. This is beautiful. Oh my god. Look, I feel like I don't even have to style it. The wig looks great as it is, but I know if I curl it and make everything even, it's gonna look even better, more realistic. That's what I'm trying to accomplish. It looks so natural just now, so let's see how it looks after I style it. It feels very secure. I don't have to add in the strap or the extra clips. For now, we're good. Wouldn't change me. Got the same old flaws, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Okay, one thing I do notice right here, it's a bit lumpy, maybe because of the way it was packed. I'm gonna try to bring that down so that it looks more natural. It was off. Filming like this, it makes me want to do makeup tutorials, because I remember when I first started, that's how I used to film some videos, the opposite way of my my vanity mirror, which I thought they were fun. Alright, now it's hot, and I'm gonna press down just like this. Yeah, that's better. ¡Es preciosa! Yes, mi amor. No, mi amor. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? I'm gonna go back to my couch and show you how it looks. I was thinking another thing that you can do to make the wig look more natural, you can add either a headband or a hat. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when I add this headband. Just like that. Oh my god, I love it. It looks so cute. So let's move on to that side. That way it's not so warm, the light, because the light right here, it makes it very yellowish. Oh my god, I'm back. Look at this hair. Wow, it looks stunning. I love it. It looks so natural too. I styled it really good where I made it look flawless. You can't even see the front lace. If I go over like this, you can kind of see it, but I'm using the hair to cover it. And this is something that I would typically do for my hair. Let me put the headband so that you can see how pretty it looks. Oh my. And this headband I showed you guys on a previous video. It is from Amazon. I'm going to leave the link down below if you guys are interested. The pearls, I just saw them on. It was a bracelet, an old bracelet, so I took it apart. The headband is made out of velvet. So, oh my god, I am obsessed. I feel like a different person. I feel more polished. I feel more put together. I don't have to color my hair all the time. Wigs, I mean, wigs have been around for a long time. If you look into the history of wigs, I think we go thousands and thousands of years. But oh my, I don't even know why I said that, but I love it. It looks so good. I can't get over it. I think I'm about to film another video with it. I think if I never mentioned that I'm wearing a wig, people would think that it's my natural hair. Just because it looks so, it doesn't look like a wig. It looks really real. Okay, you guys, I kind of fixed it and tucked it in because I went back to see the footage. And you can kind of see my hair here. So I wanted to make sure I can show you how it looks when I put it on properly. I still would like to wear my headband. I feel like with my headband, it looks much better. That's just my preference. I would still rock it like this. I love this style. I want to purchase the glue that is for the front lace. That way, that doesn't happen again like it did earlier. And I wasn't able to see it right there and then. So I'm glad I went back and I looked at everything. And I was able to show you how it would look like. And another thing that I also could do is maybe cut this a little bit so that it's not too long, and that way it's not so heavy, because also my eyelash was kind of pushing it down and I didn't like that. Or you can also wear a clip right here too, like you know how it's trending with the pearls. Actually, I have one of those, so let me go get it and show you what I mean. Showed you. I can also do a hat. A hat will look super cute, and that's a lot more secure. My hair is not showing like it was earlier. So I'm loving it, you guys. I'm obsessed. I really am. I wasn't expecting to like it this much, but honestly, I love it. You guys are going to see it more on my videos. So, well, wigs are so much fun too, and celebrities wear them all the time. Cardi B, I don't know. Well, Jennifer Lopez does a lot of extensions. And Kim Kardashian as well, Kylie Jenner. So it's like super trending at the moment.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Mommy.
Huh?
Mama.
Yeah?
Mama, yuck.
Oh. Let me know in the comments down below, have you ever tried a wig before? And if you haven't, would you want to try one? Or do you feel kind of scared like I used to? I used to be scared, but a couple weeks ago, my husband took me on a date and I actually was wearing a black wig, which it was super cool. And you know what? A lot of people do wear wigs because they have to. Some people go through like chemo and stuff. They lose their hair, and this is something that, and this is a great option for them. Leo's here, by the way. You guys haven't seen Leo in forever. Say hi. Look how big he is now. I'm Yamon! Fix your hand, Yamon! Yeah, he just woke up from his nap. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think about the wig? Do you like the color? I am honestly obsessed. Like, no joke. Obsessed. It is beautiful. It is longer than I expected. Even though it's 16 inches, it's pretty long. I plan on trying different hairstyles, and like I said, I might trim it right here just a bit. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and